Thank you, Mr. President, and thank you, members. I'm William Prevotel. I joined the New York City chapter, AIA, in 1988. At Ground Zero, I was an independent, unpaid early responder for 66 hours during the first week of 9/11. I briefed FEMA teams, warned people of airborne asbestos, and cordoned off indeterminate structural hazards. I searched, I saw carnage, and I helped remove bodies off the pile. On September 13th, having already experienced the random chaos of the epicenter, I glanced north from the elevated plaza level and saw astonishing order. Exterior wall panels formed a stack, barely exceeding the building's footprint, with virtually zero damage to surrounding structures. Mesmerized, I thought, a controlled demolition could not have done this any better. Turns out, it was. And the resolution outlines the abundant evidence. Though Building 7 had been evacuated 5 hours earlier in a 2002 PBS airing, Larry Silverstein, the new master leaseholder of just 49 days, recounted saying, quote, "Maybe the smartest thing to do is pull it." And they made that decision to pull. And we watched the building collapse, end quote. He was clear, and all the videos are clear. Now let's talk about us. We have been misled, we have been used, and sadly, we have been silent. We bought into one report contrary to the study opinions of thousands. We ignored the pleas of family members, firefighters, and eyewitnesses. In this room, we are too smart to ignore science. In this room, we are all too honorable to say nothing and do nothing.
Please bring your remarks to a close.
Finally, Dr. Martin Luther King said, "A time comes when silence is betrayal." Let's put our profession on the right side of history. Let's vote in favor of being on record for supporting real investigation. Thank you very much.